What is up, guys? Tech Rex here. Today we have a beautiful iPhone XS, no scratches, no blemishes, no cracks, pristine, beautiful device, and we're going to be launching this iPhone into space. And well, maybe not technically space. I know a lot of you guys say space is actually like 100,000 feet plus or something. I don't know where and when it's going to pop. It could be at 20,000 feet, 50,000 feet, but we're going to be tying about 100 balloons and launching this iPhone straight into the sky. So I did this a couple years ago, and it was a cool video, but it didn't turn out too well because the phone actually shut off due to the temperature being very cold. So this time we got a little rig here, and hopefully this helps. Camera is going to be sticking out of there, and we got a little plastic cover right here, so we'll be able to record perfectly fine and hopefully insulated. We're going to have the tracker on top, so we'll find the phone. Hopefully, again, it doesn't land on like a, you know, in a lake or a freeway. And this is the moment of truth. We got well over 100 balloons, I think maybe 110 or so. I don't know if you guys could see with the lighting, but everything is beautiful, visible. It's going to be recording. And I'm holding it with one hand, and I could just feel the tug. These balloons, they want to go straight into the sky. Look at all these different colors here. Beautiful. We're doing some finishing touches here with the tracker. We put a note inside the box as well. If someone finds it, hopefully out of their good heart, they let us know, and we see how that iPhone did. So almost time for the big launch. And in a matter of seconds, guys, we're gonna let it go here. I want to show you the final rig. Again, tracker, we got the tape, everything is secure. Here is the camera, the iPhone XS, and all the balloons. Let it go, send it off. Just send it off. Yes, it's gone. It's gone. Oh my goodness, guys, this is surreal. Looking at the way it's moving super quick. I don't know if you guys can see the little speck in the sky, but we found the balloons and we actually drove a couple minutes out here. We're still going to be using the tracker. Hopefully we find it, but it's drifting so slowly. But that's crazy, guys. It's the excitement of where this thing is going to land is unreal. I don't know if you guys can even see where I'm looking at. Maybe I'll put a little arrow. Here's the update of where that iPhone is, guys. We have tracking updates every 5 minutes. Update 10, update 9, so it's literally going north here around the valley, kind of suburb area. So the anticipation is crazy, guys. We're gonna try and maybe kind of chase after it by car while we're looking at the tracker, because we want to make sure and find this hopefully before anyone else does. But here's the little update. All right, hopefully you guys can see we have the GPS coordinates of exactly where this iPhone landed, and this is the terrain. It's actually very nice because there's no houses here. There's some trees way in the distance, and there's literally like a perfect roadway here. So if we can find this iPhone, it's going to be an amazing feeling. There's no people here too. It didn't land near any houses. So we're just going to be walking here, guys, and I'll update you if we spot something. Look at that, guys. Look at that whole nest of balloons. Okay, guys, we're running. Oh no. Why is it flying away? Okay, guys, hold on. Before I touch anything, looks like there's definitely a good amount of balloons that popped. There's a balloon that's stuck right here. All right, let's go ahead and tear this apart. Just see how the video is inside. There you go. It is off. No, it's not recording. The phone is very, very hot too. That wraps it up, guys. So the iPhone XS is in the same condition. It was in this box. It only recorded the first 15 minutes for some reason. Last time we got the first hour, but I think the phone was very, very warm. So it could have maybe overheated because it felt very, very hot to the touch. Honestly, I have no idea why it shut off, but that wraps it up. The iPhone is good. The balloons are up in the sky. We let them all go. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. As always, stay tuned for more videos, and peace out.